On Christmas Eve, some unfortunate stuff happened to the M3. As you can tell, there's pretty big scratch marks. It was caused by a stray, so we're gonna see if we can buff this out and make something good out of a bad situation. So I'm hoping these aren't too deep. We're gonna see how bad it is, but here's a quick before, and I'm hoping this goes away after buffing it out. Quick detail spray, because you don't want to buff it out when it's dirty to avoid more scratches essentially. The Meguiar's rubbing compound, we're gonna try to buff this out.
This is non-abrasive.
It's non-abrasive. That's gonna be an important part so that you don't worsen what's already there. So don't be too strict with us about how the rest of the car is looking. We already had a rough Christmas Eve, so we're just cleaning the area that was affected, but it should look pretty good after. And if you have to do this for your car, I'm gonna link all these products in the description, so you could just get them for yourself and fix up any dings or scratches that you have. This is about one pass on it. Looks pretty good. It's starting to fade. I do think we're gonna need a few times doing this, but once again, this is the Meguiar's rubbing compound. It's non-abrasive. So here's the second pass. Kind of keeping that circular motion. After this, we are going to use a wax. Looking better. It's still visible, but like I said, it can't be like magic work. Like there's still some paint that was taken off, so for it to be a perfect job, you'd have to repaint it. This is Turtle Wax Color Magic car polish. This one is for deep scratches and chips and stuff like that. Prepping the next section that was affected, we have the polish just kind of like soaking in. That doesn't do much, but we're just doing that while we prep this surface for the rubbing compound and polish. It's a rinse and repeat style process, but if you do it enough times and you do it well enough, it should look better. Same result with this one. It's not fully gone, but it looks a lot better. So we're gonna try doing rubbing compound one more time and then use the polish. Prepare for an arm workout, because it's a lot of circular motions. So it's a lot of shoulders, a little bit of bicep.
This side is a lot better than that side. Look at that.
So you heard it from the man himself. This side was less deep, so it's virtually done and gone. I mean, there's still some marks, but like for the most part, it's gone. Doesn't look too bad. I still see it, but it's because I know exactly where it is and I know this car. So this is something you could do, and it only takes like 30 minutes to an hour depending on how many times you do it and how big the surface area you are working with. Rubbing compound does take off a little bit of layers, whether it's clear coat or actual paint layer, depending on how deep you go and how bad your paint is. But you can always put another coat of protectant or wax it to seal it off. This is the after. It's a lot better than before, and like I said, we just use rubbing compound and wax. So if you just repeat the process, you can get results like this. So I know the video was all over the place. I had a little bit of buffing and polishing the scratch off the car, some canyon driving, and yeah, it's a new year, so I'm wondering what your guys' New Year's goals are, and whether it's for your car or for yourself. But we have plenty of goals. I'm gonna be uploading way more frequently, so stay tuned for that, and also drop down some comments below on what videos you want to see in 2024. But without further ado, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.